world's richest often don't have time to wait in airport security lines. Not only that, but when it comes to traveling, they often want the best in terms of comfort and security. That's why they own private jets and why we're breaking down the 5 most expensive private jets in the world. Number 5. Boeing 757, $100 million. Starting off our countdown is a Boeing 757 with a price tag clocking in at about $100 million. Owned by former President Donald Trump, there's nothing shy about this 43-seater private jet that skimps on nothing to make life on board as luxurious and convenient as it possibly can be, flying 40,000 feet above the earth. The jet is powered by a Rolls-Royce engine and has all the latest electronic equipment on board, including a personal TV screen for every chair and a built-in multiplex movie system with a library of over 1,000 movies and 2,500 CDs. There's gold in abundance too. 24-karat plated seatbelts and the family logo stamped on almost everything. For added comfort, the couches in the guest room convert into a bed. Boeing 757 has one of the best offers to pilots: a glass cockpit. A glass cockpit is often thought of as an aircraft cockpit equipped with large computerized screens which display flight information. It includes feedback loops and the ability for self-checking to alert the pilot about problems before they become emergencies. Glass cockpits will become standard for aircraft in the future. These days, the jet has certainly grabbed a lot of attention. Most recently, former President Donald Trump returned to life as a private citizen, but his private jet remains parked at New York Stewart International Airport, forsaken for a smaller, somewhat newer model. Number 4. Boeing 787-8 BBJ, $300 million. The Boeing 787-8, also called the Dreamliner, is capable of carrying over a whopping 300 passengers. This roomy jet was first unveiled at the European Business Aviation Convention and Exhibition, EBACE. Kestrel Aviation Management showed off the first VVIP-outfitted Boeing BBJ 787-8 with seating for 40 lucky travelers. The ultra-luxurious $300 million jet has 2,400 square feet of cabin space with an oversized master bedroom, including a California king-size bed, a walk-in closet, and master bath with double-size shower and heated marble floors. There is a luxurious lounge for relaxing and dining, and a separate seating area with 18 first-class seats and 6 premium economy seats. While several privately owned Boeing 787s have been reconfigured into private jets, this is the first Boeing 787 specifically designed to be a Boeing business jet. One of these carbon composite airliners was bought in 2016 by the China HNA Group, which spent a further $100 million turning the plane into their version of a luxury private jet. According to a Dearjet tweet in 2016, the HNA Group's version included fittings by designers such as Baccarat and Fendi. A brochure for chartered clients seen by Reuters calls Too Dear a flying home with 26 lie-flat beds. The HNA Group uses the jet often, but when it doesn't, it rents the jet out for charters. Rates vary depending on a large variety of factors, but I'd expect to pay in the ballpark of $70,000 per hour for the privilege of flying on this VIP 787, known as the Dream Jet. The aircraft boasts 2,400 square feet of usable space, which is incredible if you think about it. We're talking a large single-family home with wings. Number 3. Boeing 747-8 VIP, $367 million. The longest and second largest airliner ever built, as well as one of Boeing's best-selling models, this plane's price tag excludes the luxury amendments that are fitted post-purchase. You can imagine that the price only gets higher from here. The interiors of the private jet are built by Greenpoint Technologies, and only the finest materials are used. The private plane has 2 lounges and a dining room, a stateroom with its own lounge, and a sizable office and state-of-the-art conference room. One client who bought a 747-8 reportedly spent an additional $200 million pimping his ride with luxury must-haves like fully equipped bathrooms, a private living room, and master suite with magnificent views of the changing sky. There's also a guest cabin with a luxury ensuite bathroom. Other amenities are a private office and generous meeting room, big screen TVs, 2 living areas with sofas, and a dining room for 14 people. This long-legged aircraft can hit a speed of 645 miles per hour and has an impressive range of 9,200 miles. In fact, this plane is so impressive that the U.S. Air Force announced in 2017 that the 2 Boeing 747-200s being used as presidential planes, Air Force One and Air Force Two, will be retired in favor of Boeing 747-8s. To save on the price tag, the Air Force has bought jets originally destined for the bankrupt Russian airline Transaero. Once the jets have been retrofitted with mandatory telecommunications and security equipment, their worth could be as high as $660 million. That's what it takes to equip an aircraft to survive earthquakes, meteor strikes, nuclear war, and terrorist attacks. Other add-ons are likely to include a mobile hospital with specialist doctors and an operating theater for onboard medical emergencies. The aircraft will be equipped to deploy flares to counter heat-seeking missiles, ECM electronic countermeasures, and radar jamming technology, as well as being able to refuel mid-air up to 35,000 feet. The 100-passenger, 26-crew plane has a jaw-dropping 85 phones, 238 miles of electronic wiring, 19 TVs, a variety of computer connections, and 2-way radios. Number 2, Airbus 380, $500 million. Also the world's biggest private jet, the Airbus 380 is the aircraft of choice for Saudi Prince Alwaleed bin Talal Al Saud. Singapore Airlines and Emirates fleets own the same model, which can take up to 800 passengers, only without the expensive modifications of a Saudi prince. The double-decker, one of the most expensive planes in the world, is currently listed at $432.6 million. Although the A380 was originally intended as a commercial airliner, resellers are seeing pre-owned A380s being converted to luxurious and expensive private jets. Saudi Prince Alwaleed bin Talal Al Saud did just this when he turned his A380 into nothing short of a flying palace, including parking space for the prince's Rolls-Royce. The plane's 3 floors are connected by an elevator and spiral staircase. 4 family and VIP suites include a prayer room with electronic mats designed to rotate automatically towards Mecca in the east. For entertainment, there is a concert hall with a stage and a grand piano, and a Turkish bath for a luxurious soak. According to media reports in 2013, Prince Alwaleed bin Talal Al Saud, who was ranked the 29th wealthiest man in the world by Forbes magazine at the time, sold his Airbus A380 to an anonymous buyer and used the proceeds to expand his investments in Saudi Arabia and the Middle East. Number 1, Airbus A340-300, $350 to $500 million. Heading up the list of the world's most expensive private jets is the fabulous Airbus A340-300, owned by billionaire Alisher Usmanov, one of Russia's wealthiest businessmen. Usmanov, who is the founder and biggest shareholder of Metallo Invest, Russia's largest iron ore producer, also owns stakes in Russian telecommunications and internet companies and in the English soccer team Arsenal. Not only that, but he's considered the 34th richest person in the world. In the aircraft's commercial configuration, the Airbus A340-300 can seat over 300 passengers and has a top speed of 567 miles per hour and a range of 8,512 miles. Yuzmanov's private jet, named Borkon after his father, has 4 engines and an ultra-long range capable of flying any air route on the planet. Yuzmanov spent an extra $170 million US on a lavish interior, including an exquisite dining room, along with luxuriant chairs and leather, several seating areas, bathrooms, and sleeping quarters. While information on the interior is not available, the plane is known to have undergone an extensive retrofit, with VIP additions that surpass even President Vladimir Putin's Ilyushin Tu-96. Bonus, the B-2 Spirit, $737,000. The B-2 Spirit is a military aircraft that was launched in 1989 during the Kosovo War, where it flew 50 sorties. What sets this fighter plane apart is its design technique called continuous curvature. The purpose of the sleek lines is to deflect radar. Its radar cross-section is just 1.1 square feet, no bigger than a pigeon. The jet plane can reach top speeds of 0.81 Mach, has a range of 6,000 nautical miles, and needs to be refueled every 6 hours, which contributes to its $135,000 per hour operating costs. The jet's long-range capabilities made it necessary for designers and engineers to include a hot plate for food preparation, as well as a toilet and bed so one pilot can sleep at a time on long missions, crucial for minimizing fatigue during round-the-clock flights. As you'd expect, the fighter jet has an impressive collection of techie things like a quadruple fly-by-wire flight control system, split brake rudders, and differential thrust for maneuver. This maintains a low radar cross-section. The plane's engines are hidden in the wing to deflect radar and reduce the engine's heat signature to prevent the plane's presence from being picked up by infrared tracking systems. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content. This has been our breakdown of the 5 most expensive private jets in the world.